Big up Crosses TV.
I'll be across his yard over your master.
Phone. Juju Bugs, why? Oh God, it's then late. You still a sing pan that? Me know around 2 more live, right? The same thing. You come back, alright. Me never see the rest of the time that me see now. Your husband I walk with community cocky. Thank you, I knew. You're so late. You gonna force him to have respect now? Someone come and chat about my husband and a pin spit on a dirty blood clot and shit and piss pound and I can't even talk to no dirty blood clot pin. Love me, I'm a dirty husband. And I come kiss me on him ass. When I move on a dirty blood clot, you know have man as a two, nobody no know and I'm not famous. Go ahead. On a two blood clot enough now. Someone put the angle in like blood clot that cause social panel. Beat in the angle like dog shit to not come tell me about my husband. No go I leave the woman and her husband, man. Too much on know, man. Bumba clad. Go talk about your Pickney where throw shit by you in your bed. And them things I want to talk about. Me all the man. But talk about all your kids. You don't chat too much blood clot shit at people, yes, man. Go, man. I love the man and the rest of the man I work, I do care work. All of them that I chat to my work, I work in pay. And me I get my own. Cause I work my work right just say no. Oh, not too much no man. Loud man, bumba clat. Too much I want thing good for nothing. Famous what? Famous cause you married to a queen. Don't fool yourself. We are famous. We are fucking ghetto celebrities. Nicki Minaj said do it. Someone who that never even Nicki Minaj would even smell in a breeze. Nicki Minaj said queenie. That's acknowledgement. How you mean we're not famous? We are famous. Yeah, Uber kaki. Yeah. Any blood clot thing, stop and send them queen them now stop. They will make a talk, say this I tap it now. Move on a dirty blood clot. If we damn if we do and we damn if we do, we live a life. I would have right here as a loving married couple. What the fuck do you mean by it? Come in with the cocky now and typing. Come in the cocky and on a mind. Come in the cocky for sure people say on can't type.
I will say communicate cocky.
Not
So who for cocky communicate?
yes.
You have time to pay that mine?
Me not
Eh?
pay.
You have time to pay that mine? A community me live in a? Eh? Barack me live in a?
Barrow. Yeah.
Buckley. You have time to pay them Buckley, man.
Of course we are famous. Go and look on stage. When you make on stage at Jamaica, you are on stage. And when you make with ER reports, you report on TV. And when you go on YouTube, you not say nobody bad like Queen and do it. And what is do it?
Just taste it, huh?
I bet you me can't body up for taste nothing. Don't suck your teeth at me. Rude.
You just want to give one buckler long explanation.
So yeah, me and my husband can't have a laugh. I run joke. I don't know why I'm passing the place. You want to live in a community. Uber is the best cocky whichever fast. Queenie, you're a real crop. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. In your eyes and your opinion, I am a crop. But in my eyes, I am blessed. I am a queen. I'm a wife. I'm a celebrity. I'm a superstar. I'm an artist. I'm a comedian. I'm a movie star. And it goes on and on. When I have no self-esteem, thank God. Eh?
You know, say anybody where they be another page is a man and him a same period though.
Community mean everybody say, who don't know what community cocky means? That mean you will get it too. Your dirty blood clot. Yeah? If community cocky to mean everybody get it. So we who don't know why you need for ABC it. But not lie. There's so much my like how him going too much. Him could have been enough like blood clot me. You know why him and me can't be the same thing. I like him defense, same way. And if I approach him with caution, yeah, I like him defense. Because I want to take him for walkover. I'm not been a walkover as a phone. Him supposed to be too much. He's a fucking king. My king. So him can't make no look at objects and subjects. Royal objects and subject. Determine his fate and how him to speak. He's not a baby. Regardless, you'll have time to feel better about yourself. He's not a fucking kid. He's a grown-ass mother husband. And he's on his age is off the almanac. I refuse it because it was in the inbox for sure. He texts me like a post. And my husband texts you. You better keep them texts for souvenir.
If blood clot, tell you.
You better keep them for souvenir because you not get no more.
Nah, get an next blood clot one. So keep them
Get somebody, their panty and squeeze them. Yeah, them panty and squeeze them for true. Leave my husband alone. No, I don't stop telling lies about my husband and fear my husband. Go. Eh?
You see all of them chat, what me I do? No found them know what is me and them. If you not come from England, you know what. Cheesy what's it? A babe. A babe. I drink a monster.
If people rare.
So all the type you're typing. Don't know make me ear get grey. Bumbleclad.
Me stretch it out.
I wanna feel like all of that takes it to make me scared, it to make me fret, it to make me cold sweat out. No, fuck that fam. I want to tell you no 4 pound down the move I want to go to.
But Kono like we speak nice words. We don't swear. We don't swear and we don't fight. A long time I'm for class and a nasty blood clot. I'm a nasty upset up. I want to get it today and I don't expect it tomorrow again. So I enjoy it now. Because tomorrow I'm so no, I don't see him up here so tough so and I put on the idea and I like do is stop it. Yeah? I appreciate man and I go man. Winter coming.
I got a Unuh belt now for me bumbleclad. Cheers, mate. Whoa. Hey, Popo.
Do mother can't eat him. Him first do mother a first born. Gwen.
I make she know her womb good. You hear that?
Do mother can't
so
eat
boy
him.
look good. I'm born to come out with no broke hand, no broke foot, no broke neck, no broke nothing.
Him blessed. You hear that? All when I talk said, do just sit down and just a prosper, son. Just bad mind
never
stuff.
no sickness. Me never get licked down from a barn. Me never meet no tragic accident. But
thank God, yeah.
I put myself in, a little. You understand? But you don't know a thing come down, me man.
Husband. I don't leave my husband alone.
Belching off for me kiss again.
By 2 weeks time, I got cry. You there? By the time I go down somebody trouble me, not do it for cry. Make me cry. Shut up, man. My husband turned me on to them. Now, like, sweet man, because you say, sweet man. I'm a fool on herself. And I can't even turn the own herself. We have a man named Marriage. I know the name years ago for one boat ride. And one girl troubling on the boat ride, he said, I see the next week, Versace boat ride. Tell it we are screaming, oh God. But if you're not shit, you go dead.
It takes one to know one.
If you're not shit, you go dead.
So I look like you are the bigger one.
If me a toilet waste, you need me because everybody needs to shit. So, at the end of a good year, toilet is word. So, at least I have some word on the earth, me a toilet. Thank you.
Room. Rukum.
I know come over here for done me and my husband. And I go tell him same rude that him a cuff him supposed to do it. everywhere me go, them just are so do we.
You know, say the same one a blood clot right the cuff at them a cuff. Me can ask you a question. What time now? Which part you there? Matter of fact, me just type down here. If I Jamaica it's what time now in Jamaica? It's about 9 or what? 9, 8 o'clock. Put your mouth feet in a real life. You see me? Alright, switch over to English now. It's 2:57. Yeah? I want me to say again. How much of me say?
Me no remember in a car. Me I read them comment.
It's in England now, fam. It's 2:57. From there, like, the fuck.
Come on now, don't disrespect Queen. It's time we say this me, you not this me, but only for them this me. My husband no licky. You can't put no bumper put for ass clot labor for my husband because you feel are you licky and your mama.
Blood clot licky.
My husband no licky. Don't try that. But when I don't use blood clot, man, tell me, say me forgot borrow your mama, your uncle. My husband no licky. That's so take me and trick me and name out my money. I'm going to my bank account and take. My husband don't trouble my things. Move on a dirty blood clot on a licky. Where? My life fight for my man. I got sit down there. I'm gonna talk when I want to talk. I'm shut up.
Someone look like that funny. This is England, fam. That's England.
The mud for fly. A lot of time doing mud it for fly. So when I phone them out alone at work. I phone them out at work. Ooh, I alone at work.
Bad mind, I go kill them. I will know it, I go mad them.
I would have word out do it. What's this word? That what irritate. What's that word? Irritate.
Irritate or intimate now. I know what's it, boy.
Psalms 91. And I'm not even Psalm 91, me say. Watch data plan. Alright, too much of this reading, bumbo. Ma, connection bad. Alright, you no go on now.
Come on, go on.
Oh, she irritate.
Irritate, yeah.
Yeah, irritate, but I can't pronounce. Do it irritate you? Okay. So irritate for irritate. Alright, when I want someone to do something, certain things me not eat it. Do them say mean. So look like them are anchor for some. Hi God.
Time, la one.
Thank you.